Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Today, I have a beautiful new construction home under $400,000 in McKinney, Texas. This home is a Meritage home. This model in particular is the Preston, and it is starting at $372,000. It is a 4-bed, 3-bath, and it is approximately 2,000 square feet. It is a really nice 1-story home. So if you're looking for something really budget friendly, this might be a great option for you. So this neighborhood is Eastridge. It is located in McKinney. It is kind of out in the outskirts, more rural areas of McKinney. So if you're looking for something quiet and a little bit farther from the city, this is a great option for you. If you are looking to be in the city and be pretty much where everything is happening, this might not be the best fit for you guys. This is something more, you are gonna have to drive a little bit to get to the city. Nothing crazy, probably about 10 minutes. You can take 121, it's fairly close from here. And you can head down to Prosper, Frisco, everything like that. You're also not too far from 380 as well, so you can take that to Prosper, Little Elm, Denton. So it's still a good location, but everything around this neighborhood is pretty much land, which is also a good thing because you might be able to get a lot of equity here in the near future if there's more developments coming to this area, which I'm sure there will be because everything is kind of going more north. McKinney is very, very popular right now, so I'm sure stuff is going to be being built in these areas. So this is a 1-story home. So we checked out those few bedrooms. You have this nice laundry room here with a ton of rooms. You can have extra baskets and places to fold your laundry. You do have a really nice kitchen here. Nice white cabinets. You got a good island there in the middle. And of course a pantry. I think it's always a plus to have a pantry. Really good space in there as well. So nothing too fancy. Fancy in this price point. You're gonna have, nothing super luxurious, but in my opinion, having a home in this price range in McKinney is actually a great find. I know some people might not think so, but I believe it's a great find. McKinney is definitely getting more expensive, so being able to live super close to that city within a really low price point, I think is a great plus, and especially for some new construction homes. And this is the master bedroom. If you guys are interested in checking out this model in particular or any other homes in McKinney or the surrounding areas, make sure you reach out to me. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.